Hey everybody, it's Matt Collins with eXp Realty, here with Taylor Perry with Van Dyke Mortgage. And today we wanted to talk about, do property taxes make a difference? So for example, you'll hear us talk all the time, get your pre-approval and get your pre-approval. So if we're working with a client who say is pre-approved for $200,000, does it matter where we buy a house at?
Absolutely.
Okay.
And the reason being is because your $200,000 is going to spend a lot more here than it is here. So for example, with property taxes, this area is going to be a lot cheaper in property taxes. You're going to pay half of what you would pay here in this area. So realistically, your $200,000 don't spend evenly. So it's really important that we kind of have a general idea of what area you're looking in. So that way when we put your pre-approval together, we know roughly what the taxes are going to be, and we can adjust your spending or your pre-approval limit rather via that area.
So as we're talking about kind of that dream location of where we want to be, if we find a home that's outside of that market, do we have to have the exact property in order? Should we run that by you before submitting an offer? Should we know the exact property address? Or should we just say, hey, we've been looking in Springboro, but now we're looking in Washington Township? Is that important for you to know?
It never hurts to loop in the lender. I mean, it never hurts for us to know, especially if it is property specific, then we can run it and make sure that there's nothing weird about it before we go ahead and submit that offer. Nobody wants a wrench thrown in at the last second.
Makes perfect sense. So, well, guys, I hope that you found this one helpful. Remember, when we're getting that pre-approval all set up, the area makes a difference. So until next time, if you found this useful, please like and subscribe below. But until next time, we'll talk to you soon.